Hello dear students and welcome to today's social class. Till now we have studied about mountains, plateaus, plains, their features and importance. Now today we will talk about a new landform. So keep your copy and pen ready to note down important points. So kids, look at this map. In the west side of India, the states are covered with a type of landform that is very hot during the day. There is bright shining sun in the daytime and nights are very cold. They have sandstorm too. Can you guess which landform I am talking about? Yes, I am talking about desert. So kids, deserts are land areas that receive very little rainfall. These areas have a dry climate. They are covered with sand. So kids, today we are going to explore the features of desert areas, the main or important or famous deserts of the world, their flora, fauna and lifestyle. So here we go. So some of the important features of a desert are that they have very hot days and cold nights. They experience frequent dust storms. Hills of sand, which are called sand dunes, are the result of sandstorms or dust storms. Little vegetation due to less rainfall is there. So the vegetation is very less because of the less rainfall, and we talked about sand dunes. They are actually the small hills of sand which are the result of the storms, as because of gust of winds the sand flows from here and there, and as and when the wind stops, what happens? The sand gets deposited there, and this deposition converts into a sand hill or sand dune. One more important feature is that most deserts are located on the western side of continents and on the leeward side of mountains. I hope you all remember we talked about leeward side when we studied plateaus. So I hope you all know what leeward side is. Okay, now let us talk about some examples of the deserts around the world, some famous deserts around the world. So, we will start from Africa. Yeah, the continent known for its desert areas. So, there, Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert, they are very famous and large deserts. So now, let's talk about Sahara Desert, which is located on the African continent. It is the largest hot desert in the world and third largest desert overall after Antarctica and the Arctic. The name Sahara is derived from the Arabic word for desert, Sahara. So children, now let's move forward for another famous deserts in the world. So the Great Sandy Desert and the Great Victoria Desert in Australia. So in southern Australia, a vast sparsely populated region covered by dune fields and gibber plains. The Great Victoria Desert receives little rain and experiences extreme temperatures. A highly desert adapted fauna lives here, and the area is known for its lizards diversity. Yes kids, a large variety and different species of lizards are found here. Next are Thar Desert and the Arabian Desert in Asia. Yes, when we talk about Thar Desert, I think you all know where does it lie? Yes, in Asia it lies in India, and in India it lies in the western part of India, which covers Haryana, Rajasthan. So, if we talk about some of the desert cities of Thar, Jaisalmer is known as the jewel of desert and famous for its amazing forts, camel safari, golden sand dunes, and colorful culture. The Jaisalmer fort is one of the oldest living fort in India and display the true image of royalty of the city. So this fort is quite famous. Now, when we talk about the Arabian desert, it's a vast desert. The Arabian desert is a vast desert wilderness in the Western Asia. It stretches from Yemen to the Persian Gulf and Oman to Jordan and Iraq. It occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula. It is the fifth largest desert in the world and the largest in Asia. Some other famous deserts are also Atacama Desert and Patagonian Desert in South America. Now let us talk about the flora and fauna of desert regions. So the region is rich in diversified flora and fauna. Several endemic snakes and lizards are found here, as they can adapt easily in the dry and hot areas. Animals such as the blackbuck, the Indian gazelle, and the Indian wild ass, which are fast declining in other areas, are found in the desert. Camels are one of the most popular means of transport. We all know that it is also known as the ship of the desert because of its adaptation qualities. So, as we know, camels have adapted themselves so nicely in the desert areas that they can survive in the extreme conditions without water for a longer time, and even they can walk properly on the hot sand and help us for the transportation, right? Now, let's talk about the lifestyle of desert areas. So, kids, you all must have observed a different kind of living style, a different kind of clothing in desert areas. The people who are basically living in desert areas. So, many people in the deserts are nomads. Nomads means the people who are not settled at one place. They move from one place to another in search of food and water, and when they get it properly, they settle down there for a little while. So children, this was all for today. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about another important landform of the earth. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and found it informative. So, till the next video, keep reading the content from your book. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.